Hello, gardeners! Radishes are a fantastic addition to any garden thanks to their quick growth and versatility across seasons. Let's explore what makes radishes unique in terms of growth habits and adaptability. Radishes grow quickly, with common varieties reaching maturity in just 3 to 4 weeks. This fast growth makes them ideal for filling in garden gaps and getting quick harvests throughout the season. Imagine planting seeds and in less than a month, you've got fresh, crisp radishes ready to harvest. That's some speedy satisfaction. Now let's talk seasonal adaptability. Radishes can be grown in both cool and warm seasons, depending on the variety. Early spring and fall are perfect for cool season varieties, which enjoy cooler temperatures and shorter days. Meanwhile, some heat-tolerant radishes can even thrive in the summer, allowing for a continuous supply of these spicy, crunchy roots. So, whether you're dealing with frost or heat, there's likely a radish variety just for you. With rapid growth and flexibility in different seasons, radishes are a great choice for any gardener. They're not just easy to grow, they're also incredibly rewarding. Thanks for watching, and be sure to like and subscribe for more gardening insights. Happy gardening!